an adverb. For example, are those French fries crisp enough for you? So the word crisp is actually adjective. So जब हमने enough को use करेंगे तो this should come after the adjective. So it sounds like are those French fries crisp enough for you? Furthermore, she speaks Spanish well enough to be in interpreter. So इसमें आपके पास adverb well है, उसके बाद हमारे पास word enough का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. Another example is it is not cold enough to wear a heavy jacket. So the word cold is adjective. As a result, the word enough comes after it. When modifying a noun, enough precedes the noun. अगर आपने इसी word enough को noun के साथ mention करेंगे तो ऐसे में noun comes before the word enough comes before the word noun. For example, do you have enough sugar for the cake? So the word enough comes before noun. Jake bought enough red paint to finish the barn. Again, enough comes before the noun phrase red paint. Another example, he does not have enough money